biodiversity hotspot amongst ancient landscapes, in a dark sky park, and all the best of country New South Wales. Come and join us on this 6-day, 5-night tour to the Pilliga and Warrumbungles with fellow Aussie plant enthusiasts. We'll take in the dramatic weathered volcanic peaks of Mount Caputa, Warrumbungle National Park, and the unspoiled forests and shrublands of the Pilliga. Lying some 500 kilometres northwest of Sydney, we will view silo art at Portland, enjoy lunch at the Putabuka wetlands in Mudgee, and head to Coonabarabran via Bilby Bloom's native nursery owned by long-time APS members. On Gamilaroi land in the Pilliga Nature Reserve, we will explore the Sandstone Caves walking track, passing through scenic forest to the impressive Sandstone Caves, which contain ancient Aboriginal rock art and engravings. Then on to Sculptures in the Scrub, wandering amongst the award-winning sculptures that celebrate Aboriginal culture and history. The forest contains over 900 plant species. Paths full of Calitrix, Wallenbergia, Chrysocephalum, Pomax and paper daisies may delight the senses. The amazing rock formations in the Warrumbungle National Park form the backdrop for many beautiful plants, such as yellow osmanthus, bulbine, stylidium and many more. We travel on to Narrabri and visit the summit of Mount Caputa in the subalpine zone and marvel at the view. We might be lucky enough to see the rare pink slug. The forest here is dominated by snow gum, ribbon gum and mountain gum, as well as heathland species near the windswept summit. An easy walk beside a shady creek bed takes us to the spectacular volcanic rock feature called Sawn Rocks. These are one of Australia's best examples of a rock formation called organ piping, a fascinating reminder of Mount Caputa's volcanic past. Back in the Pilliga, we will be allowed to visit the predator-free fenced area constructed by Australian Wildlife Conservancy. We'll see the changes in the vegetation in the absence of feral grazing animals. At dusk, we will be given a guided spotlight tour to perhaps see some of the reintroduced native fauna. Off to Orange for an overnight stay, a walk on Mount Canobolas, and then to Kiama for the start of the conference. The post-conference tour takes in all these highlights too, but finishes in Sydney, after a final overnight stop in Mudgee, plus a visit to the Mount Tomar Botanic Gardens in the Blue Mountains as an added bonus. Come and join us.